seeing someone in person with bad asthma. That's terrible.
You know, it closes up my airway is what it does. And so, you know, the whole breathing, speaking thing is a problem.
Bonnie has asthma, a chronic lung disease. The Work-Related Asthma Prevention Program has found that cleaning products, sanitizers, and disinfectants, including disinfectant wipes, can worsen or even cause asthma. Like in Ed's case. Ed had to go to the emergency room when he had trouble breathing after a cleaning chemical was used in his classroom. Now he has asthma, and custodians switched to cleaning products that are safer. And asthma isn't the only health problem. Some chemicals in cleaning products have been linked with health effects like burns to the eye, skin rashes, headaches, reproductive harm, or cancer. Did you know that sanitizers and disinfectants, including disinfectant wipes, are actually pesticides, and it's against the law for children to use them?
It shocks me that we actually are using these chemicals in the classroom, and you read the back of some of these white products, and I don't understand why that's actually even being used in classrooms with little children breathing it all the time.
I think for kids are really sensitive to chemicals. So from my point of view, it would be the best interest for me not to expose them.
We all know classrooms get dirty. Cleaning is a safe and healthy option for removing dirt and germs. However, sometimes germ-killing disinfectants might be needed, like to clean up blood or vomit, and that's the job for custodians trained to handle these powerful chemicals. In addition, anyone in school who uses a pesticide must take a Healthy Schools Act training. So we offered schools microfiber cloths as a safer alternative. They are effective for simple cleanup jobs.
I use them everywhere. When I'm using cloths, it's not kicking up so much dust and that I'm breathing in, so it clings to the microfiber, so it really does work well.
And I use them to clean my smart board, and I use them on this board, and then I keep a couple around the sink because then the kids can just grab them for whatever they need over there, and then I just do basic dusting with them.
Also, the desks are great. They seem to have just like enough of a sort of the rough texture that really gets the dirt off. So I give them to the kids to wash things, dry things, and so all kinds of ways to clean up the classroom.
When cloths are available, we find schools are less likely to use cleaning chemicals, disinfectant wipes, and bleach. Another benefit to using microfiber cloths is in keeping disinfectant wipes out of the landfill. Cloths do need to be washed, and schools can be creative by asking for help from the school community, custodians, school staff, or volunteers.
It's totally worth it for me because I'm not breathing it in, I'm not exposing kids to these chemicals, these asthma triggers.
I just want to say, thank you for trying to get rid of the chemicals, and when everybody's kind of doing this, chemical-free, it helps people like me, and there's more and more kids with asthma, and allergies all the time, so any little thing helps, so thank you for doing this.